students of class 3, welcome back to your English literature class. Yesterday we read the lesson and today we will do I will do the explanation of the lesson for you. Okay, now let's start reading again and I will explain it to you. I'll explain the words also to you and learn the word meanings very nicely and thoroughly. Okay, now let's start reading again. Long, long ago, there lived a giant in a huge castle, or you can also pronounce castle or castle. Okay, now what does a castle mean? A castle is a large, strong building with thick, high walls and towers. A large, strong building with thick, high walls and towers. Have you seen a castle? You must have seen in cartoons also. Okay, like fairies live in castles and all like that. Okay, so this is the meaning of castle. Now there was a giant, okay, who lived in a huge. What do you mean by huge? This is not hudge, this is huge. Huge means big, gigantic. ओके, बहुत बड़ा एक एक जायंट था. और जायंट्स कैसे होते हैं? व्हाट आर जायंट्स? दे आर ह्यूज पीपल, 7 feet tall, 8 feet tall. Okay, very very tall, and they are known as giants. Okay, maybe even 10 feet tall. So there was a giant who lived in a castle, and let's see about himself, what he was like. He was the most selfish. What do you mean by selfish? Selfish is a person who just keeps thinking about himself. एक सेल्फिश एक ऐसा पर्सन होता है जो सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचता है और वो दूसरों के बारे में उसको कोई मतलब नहीं होता. एंड वी शुड नॉट बी सेल्फिश. हमें सेल्फिश नहीं होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ही वॉज द मोस्ट सेल्फिश जायंट ऑन दिस अर्थ. He never shared his things. His castle had a huge garden. It was a large, lovely garden with soft green grass. And how was this giant? He was very selfish, but he also had a huge garden. It was large. The garden was large. Garden बहुत बड़ा था, and it was beautiful. It was lovely with soft green grass. जो grass वहाँ पे थी वो soft थी, मुलायम थी. Here and there Here and there over the grass bloomed beautiful flowers. What do you mean by bloomed? Bloomed means fully grown. Bloomed means fully grown. पूरे तरीके से निखर चुके थे जो फ्लावर्स थे. एक होता है फ्लावर्स जो बड में होता है, जो क्लोज्ड होता है, बट व्हेन दे आर ओपन एंड ब्लूम्ड, है ना, वो कम्प्लीटली एकदम फुल्ली ग्रोन होते हैं. सो द फ्लावर्स वर लाइक दैट. ओके, फुल्ली bloomed, beautiful flowers. Then there were trees that bore rich fruits, and there were also trees in the garden. उस garden में जो थे trees थे that bore rich fruit, that had rich fruit. बहुत अच्छे tasty fresh fruits थे उन trees में. The birds sat on the trees and sang so sweetly, and there were birds in that garden that sat on those trees, beautiful trees, and sang so sweetly. And there were birds who sat on the trees and sang beautiful, lovely songs. Okay, just not songs, but they just sang. You must have heard the chirping and the twittering of the birds. Okay, the sound that they make. Okay, now let's read further. This was about the giant and his garden. This giant had a friend. The giant's friend invited the selfish giant to his house. The selfish giant accepted the invitation. Okay, what do you mean by accepted? It means agreed. What do you mean by accepted? Means agreed. And you have to pronounce this word as accepted. The invitation. And what is invitation? When you invite something, for example, for your birthday party, for your marriage party, for a wedding or anniversary, anything, okay, and you give an invitation. So this giant had a friend, and that friend invited this huge giant, this selfish giant, to his house. And the selfish giant accepted, agreed the invitation. वो जो giant था वो मान गया कि ठीक है, मैं आऊँगा तुम्हारे घर में. And went to stay with him for few months. Okay, और वो giant जो था वो मान गया और वो अपने friend के घर पे रहने चला गया. Now let's see. Since the giant was away, Okay, now the giant was away. He was not there in the castle, he was not there in the garden. So who came in the garden? Children used to go and play in the giant's garden. Now there must have been some children who must be noticing that there is nobody in in the garden. Nobody's taking care of the garden, so let's go and play in the garden. वहाँ पे हो सकता है कुछ बच्चे खेलते होंगे और वो सोचते होंगे कि गार्डन जो जायंट बहुत दिन से दिखता था वो अब दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, कहाँ चला गया. सो वो उस जायंट के गार्डन में खेलने चले जाते थे. The children would go and play in the giant's garden. One day the giant came back. वो giant वापस आ गया. He returned. When he arrived, what do you mean by arrived? Arrived means got to a place or end of a journey. Okay, when you arrive somewhere. Okay, when your friends arrive at your home, आपके घर पे पहुंच जाना. Arrived means पहुंच जाना. He saw the children playing in the garden. Now what happened? He saw the children who were playing in the. What are you doing here? He cried in a very gruff voice, and the children ran away. When the giant was away, the children saw that there is nobody in the garden and they came and started playing in the garden. But when the giant returned, the giant वापस आ गया. He saw that the children were playing and he asked them in a very gruff voice, "What are you doing here?" Gruff means deep, rough voice, very unfriendly voice. Okay, what do you mean by gruff? It is a deep, unfriendly, rough voice. "What are you doing here?" he cried in a very gruff voice, and the children ran away. जब आप खेल रहे हो और आपसे बहुत कोई डांट के आपसे कुछ गुस्से से बोले तो आप डर जाएंगे और आप भाग जाएंगे, wouldn't you? So what happened there? "This is my garden," said the giant, "and I will not allow anybody to play in it." So he built a high wall all around it and put up a notice board. And what did the notice board say? Trespassers will be prosecuted. And he said to the children, "This is my garden. ये मेरा garden है," said the giant, "and I will not allow anybody." और मैं किसी को allow नहीं करूँगा कि यहाँ पे कोई खेलने के लिए आए. So he built. What do you mean by built? Built मतलब किसी चीज़ को बनाना. Okay, construct करना है. High wall, एक दीवार को बनाया, and all around it, and put up a notice board saying. And what did the notice board say? Trespassers will be prosecuted. It means that whoever will cross this wall will be punished. जो भी इस wall को cross करेगा, इसके पार जाएगा, उसको punishment मिलेगी. Now let's see what happened to the children. The poor children had now nowhere to play. They tried to play on the road, but the road was very dusty and full of hard stones, and they did not like it. Then the children started playing on the road because they were not able to play in the garden. But the road was very dusty. रोड जो थी बहुत डस्टी थी, बहुत गंदी थी, full of hard stones, very hard. Okay, stones, maybe the stones would come under their feet and would hurt them, and the children did not like it. I hope, children, you like to play in gardens. Yes. How happy we were there, they said to each other. And while playing on the road and getting upset, they said how happy we were. हम कितने अच्छे थे ना वहाँ पे जब हम खेलते थे गार्डन में, कितना मज़ा आता था. मे बी यू ऑल्सो टॉक अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स लाइक दिस. जब स्कूल खुलता था कितना अच्छा लगता था ना, हम सब मिलते थे. सो इन द सेम वे दीज चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो talked among each other. Then spring came. What is spring? Spring is a weather. Spring is a weather. एक weather होता है spring. And when does this weather come? Season between winter and summer. Season between winter and summer. विंटर और समर के बीच का जो टाइम होता है उसे स्प्रिंग बोलते हैं. When plants begin to grow. Okay, when plants and trees become to bloom. So that was a time. Then spring came, and all over the country there were beautiful flowers and little birds. Okay, only in the selfish giant's garden it was still winter. Now spring came, and all over the country there were beautiful flowers. All the flowers started to bloom, and there were birds everywhere. But in the giant's garden it was still winter. No plants, no fruits, no flowers, no singing of birds, nothing was there. सारे जो देश था उसमें हर जगह पे सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा हो रहा था स्प्रिंग में. बट जायंट के गार्डन में जो था वो तब भी ठंड का ही मौसम चल रहा था. द बर्ड्स डिड नॉट सिंग, नो फ्लावर्स ब्लूम्ड, एवरी वन वॉज सैड. बर्ड्स गाना नहीं गा रही थी, फ्लावर्स ब्लूम नहीं कर रहे थे और सब बहुत दुखी थे. The only people who were pleased were snow and frost. Who were pleased? What do you mean by pleased? Feeling happy about something. कौन सिर्फ दो लोग खुश थे, कौन? Snow and frost, because these are the two things that we can see during winter. Only the snow and frost were there because they were there only because spring was not coming for this garden. Everywhere there was spring, but in the giant's garden there was no spring. Snow covered the grass with her big white cloak, and frost painted all the trees white, and everything was white. Cloak means a thing that hides or covers something. क्लोक एक टाइप का कपड़ा जैसा होता है जो किसी चीज़ को ढांकने के लिए होता है. So the snow is white, and like a cloth, like a cloak, it was hiding everything, it was covering everything, and frost painted all the trees white, and the trees also even became white because of frost. Now let's see what happened further. I cannot understand why spring is so late in my garden, thought the selfish giant. And the giant thought to himself, I don't understand. Everywhere there is spring, but in my garden only winter is still there. हर जगह तो spring है, हर जगह तो flowers है, birds गाना गा रही, पर मेरे garden में क्यों नहीं, ये spring क्यों नहीं आ रहा, ये अच्छा वाला weather क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. वो giant अपने आप से बात कर रहा था. And he sat at the window. See, he is here at the window thinking. Okay, sat at the window and looked out at his cold white garden. And he was looking out and he was seeing that his garden was cold and white. And nobody was there. I hope there will be a change in weather. But spring did not come. और वो सोच रहा था कि शायद अब चेंज हो, शायद अब चेंज हो जाए वेदर, मे बी नाउ द वेदर विल चेंज, बट द वेदर वॉज नॉट चेंजिंग एंड स्प्रिंग वॉज नॉट कमिंग इन हिज garden. Then autumn gave golden fruits to every garden, but to the giant's garden she gave none. Now autumn season also came. It gave golden fruits to every garden. In every garden there were beautiful fruits, but in the giant's garden there it was still white. Frost and snow was still there. Okay, now let's read further. One morning, the giant was lying awake in bed when he heard some lovely music. It sounded very sweet to his ears. A bird was singing in his beautiful garden. Now, what happened? Suddenly, one morning, the giant was awake in his bed. वो अपने बेड पे लेटा हुआ था. He was lying on his bed and he heard some lovely music. And उसको बहुत अच्छी सी म्यूज़िक सुनाई दी. गाने की कुछ म्यूज़िक की आवाज़. इट साउंडेड वेरी स्वीट टू हिज ईयर्स. उसके कानों में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. अ बर्ड वॉज सिंगिंग in his beautiful garden, and the giant was so happy because he could hear a bird which was singing in the garden, in his garden, the giant's garden. It was so long since he had heard a bird sing in his garden. I believe the spring has come at last, said the giant as he jumped out of bed and looked out. And as soon as he jumped out of his bed, he looked out. See, here he's looking out in the garden, and he could see now everything is green, and he's thinking, okay, finally spring is here. Chalo, ab spring aa gaya hai kam se kam. And he was very happy. What did he see? He saw the most wonderful sight. उसने बहुत सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल साइट देखा, नज़ारा देखा, सीन देखा. Though through a little hole in the wall, the children had crept in and they were sitting on the branches of the trees. And what did he see? He saw that through a little hole, एक छोटे से hole से, the children had crept in. What do you mean by crept? Moved gradually and not easily noticed. Means कि जैसे रेंग के अंदर आना, एक छोटे से होल से नीचे से झुक के और रेंग के लेट के अंदर आ जाना, इसको it means this is crept in. And they were sitting on the branches, and these children whom the giant had asked to leave the garden with whom the giant was angry, and had said, "Don't come into my garden. This is my garden." Those children came back. वो बच्चे वापस आ गए, and they were sitting on the branches of the trees. In every tree, he could see there was a little child. On every tree he could see a little child. The trees were so glad. The trees were so glad. Glad means happy to have the children back again. The trees were very happy to see the children again. Okay, they were sad. The spring was not coming because there were no children. But as soon as the children came back, the trees also became very happy, and they had covered themselves with flowers and were waving their arms gently above the children's head. Okay, and what happened? They were waving their arms. Okay, the branches were waving above the children's head. Birds were flying and twittering. What do you mean by twittering? Making a series of short high sounds. Twittering, birds twitter. Okay, twit twit twit, वो अच्छी सी आवाज़ निकालती है, छोटी छोटी. ओके, उनको हम बोलते हैं ट्विटरिंग विद डिलाइट. Flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. It was a lovely scene. It was a beautiful scenery. It was a beautiful, some wonderful sight. The children were playing and laughing. They looked so happy. ओके, द जाइंट्स हार्ट मेल्टेड. ओके, उसका दिल जो था जाइंट का ये सारी चीज़ें देख के, आफ्टर सीइंग एवरीथिंग, द चिल्ड्रेन एंड द बर्ड्स ट्विटरिंग एंड चर्पिंग, द बर्ड्स हैप्पी, द trees happy, the children playing. When the giant saw all this, he became very happy. He was very happy. Okay, and his heart melted. What do you mean by melted? He became emotional or became gentle. His anger was gone away. उसका जो गुस्सा था वो चला गया. उसका जो मन था वो पिघल गया. As he looked out, how selfish I have been. और फिर उसने अपने आप से कहा, he said to himself, oh, how selfish I was, how selfish I have been. मैं कितना selfish था, कितना मतलबी हो गया था. He said, now I know why spring would not come here. Now I will knock down the wall. My garden shall be the children's playground forever and ever. He was really very sorry for what he had done. Okay, his heart melted. He realized, उसने माना कि वो बहुत सेल्फिश था. And that is why, because he was not allowing the children to come and play, that is why the spring was not coming. क्योंकि वो अलाउ नहीं कर रहा था बच्चों को खेलने के लिए, इसलिए स्प्रिंग भी नहीं आ रहा था. बट जैसे ही बच्चे आ गए तो स्प्रिंग भी आ गया. As soon as the children came inside, the spring also came, and everybody, the trees and the birds and everything and the flowers, all were happy, and this made the giant very happy. And he said that I will knock down the wall. Knock down means उस wall को, उस दीवार को मैं गिरा दूंगा, और ये मेरा जो गार्डन है, माई गार्डन विल बिकम चिल्ड्रंस प्ले ग्राउंड. मेरा जो गार्डन है वो बच्चों के लिए एक खेलने की जगह बन जाएगा. सो ही ब्रोक द वॉल अराउंड हिज गार्डन. ही अलाउड द चिल्ड्रन टू प्ले इन हिज गार्डन. ही ब्रोक द वॉल, उसने वॉल को गिरा दिया. ही अलाउड द चिल्ड्रन. ही सेड, ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ यू कैन कम. Okay, now there was no notice board saying that trespassers will be prosecuted. He even removed that notice board, and he said the children will come and play in his garden. Soon his garden was filled with laughter of children. Laughter means sound of laugh, हंसने की आवाज़ जो उसको आने लगी, और बहुत, and he was very happy. As years went by, the giant grew old and feeble. Feeble means, this is feeble. What is it? Feeble. Feeble means very weak, बहुत कमज़ोर होना. He could no longer play with the children. He sat on an armchair and watched the children play. Since then, spring never forgets. Forgets means, what do you mean by forget? Unable to remember. And since then, spring never forgot. Spring कभी नहीं भूला कि उसको giant के garden में आना है. Spring never forgets to visit the giant's garden. Okay, so children, this was the story. I hope you have understood. Watch the video again. Okay children, do not depend only on the question answers. When I send you the question and answers next time, please do not, प्लीज़ आप लोग जो है सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को अपनी कॉपी में उतार के बस उसको रटा मत करिए. डोंट जस्ट मग एवरीथिंग अप. डोंट मग अप एवरीथिंग. ओके, बट watch the video, understand the story. You will enjoy. When you will understand the story, you will enjoy the story, and then it will be easy for you to remember things. Okay, don't रटोफाई, मग अप, डोंट मग अप, रटिए मत, अंडरस्टैंड करिए स्टोरी को. दैट इज़ वाई मैंने इस बार ऐसे वीडियोस बनाए, एक एक लाइन को एक्सप्लेन किया है और पेंसिल के साथ, ताकि आपको मालूम हो, that so that you may know how to pronounce what does this mean, who's in. It will be easy for you to do who said to whom. Okay children, now God bless you and take care.